Many of you make big mistakes when trying to eat healthy and you don't even know it. Your weight is not dropping, you're having digestive issues, you're having skin issues, your energy is low, and some of you even think that eating healthy is expensive. In today's video, I will share with you some of the mistakes that you are making so you can stop stressing, relax, and start eating better. Before we get right into it, let's settle this once and for all. Nigerian foods are not unhealthy. You just don't know how to eat them. And in this video, I'll be telling you how to eat Nigerian foods better. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Juliet, and over here I share content on healthy recipes, wellness, and self-care tips. So if this sounds like something you love, please do well to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. One of the mistakes that you make while on a healthy eating journey is only focusing on calories. I get a lot of people asking me if a particular type of food make them fat. For example, I get things like, oh, will parfait make me fat? Will bread make me fat? Now, calories matters, right? Depending on if you are on a weight loss journey or on a weight gain journey. But calories is not everything. Now, many people think that, oh, because a particular food is low on calories, they are healthy, which is not the case. Now, let's break it down. A bottle of diet soda has less calories, but is it healthy? No. So it's not just about eating less, it's about eating better. It's not just about I don't eat much, it's about what are you actually eating. Instead of focusing on the numbers, focus on nutrient dense foods. Focus on foods that actually fuel your body, like your whole grains, healthy fats, lean protein, fruit and vegetables. Okay. Now you need to get basic nutrition knowledge. Know the classes of foods. Know what foods falls under each classes and what they do in your body. This will help you navigate the whole healthy eating lifestyle. If you're here, you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So it will encourage me to make more videos like this. Now this brings me to the second mistake that you are making, which is not reading your food labels. Now let's be honest. When you buy that packaged food, right, how many of you check the nutrition label at the back? Not the front part that says low sugar, low fat, or 100% natural, 100% organic. Not that part. You actually turn it. You turn the back of the food and then read the ingredients. You read that table that has the nutrition facts on it. How many of you read that? You should read the ingredients list of your packaged foods, especially the first three. Now, the sequence of the ingredient is supposed to go in order of the quantity. Okay, so if the first three contain sugar, that product is likely to be high in sugar. Also need to look at is how long is the ingredient list. If it's long and lengthy and then it contains ingredients that you cannot pronounce, ingredients that are unrecognizable, because some of what is packaged foods they're full of preservatives, artificial sweeteners, flavors, and a whole lot that are not good to your health. So these are the things that you need to check, and these are very important. You should also pay attention to the fat content. Avoid trans fat and lessen saturated fat. You have to check the fiber content. It's not everything is not calories. Everything is not how many calories does that food have. These are the things that you need to check when getting a food item, especially for packaged food. That is why it's very good to get your food whole. Trust me, that your sugar-free or fit mom snack might be worse than your regular food, because sugar-free does not mean it's healthy. Some artificial sweeteners have been added to it, which can cause gut health issues, digestive issues, and trust me, you don't want that. That is why I stopped taking zero Coke, diet soda, anything soda. That's just diet soda. The sugar there has been replaced with artificial sweeteners. You see aspartame, you see a whole lot of other artificial sweeteners. So those artificial sweeteners can change the bacteria, the good bacteria in your gut, leaving you with gut health issues, digestive issues, and the rest of them. For some of those foods that they've labeled low fat foods, right? Some of them they have been replaced with sugars, because what fat does is that fat improves the taste of food. It makes your food taste better. So when they remove that fat, when the food has been reduced in fact, the taste and the texture is no longer there. It's not really good. So they add the sugars to it to improve the taste and the texture of the food. And for Hindi, wheat bread is better than white bread. Some of these wheat breads are just white bread with brown coloring. So that's why you need to check the ingredients list of your food products. For example, this wheat bread now, check at the back of the bread. Does it say 100% whole wheat as the first ingredient on the list? This is how you know that the wheat bread that you're eating is actually made from 100% whole wheat grain. So next time you are buying anything packaged, flip it over, read the food ingredients, read the food labels, and choose food with simple and real ingredients. Eating healthy is not expensive. You've just not practiced the hack or how to go about it. Now, this is a topic for another day, but if you want me to make a video speaking on it, just type expensive in the comments and I'll do well to make a video speaking on that. Mistake number 3, thinking Nigerian foods are unhealthy. Now let's settle this debate. Nigerian foods are not unhealthy. It's not the food, it's you. You don't know how to prepare them, you don't know how to portion them. Only you fry everything. Only you add so much seasoning and salt. Only you eat for 3 people. Why? Fine girl, fine boy. Why? You want to fry 2 plantain, you pour half bottle of oil in your frying pan. That's not necessary. And in that same plantain, you will put salt. Now, salt is not necessary in frying plantain. What you can do, you can add some onion to your frying pan. Okay, you don't have to slice it like you're cooking stew. No, just you can just make like maybe 4, partition it into 4 parts, and then put it in your frying pan. That will give it a very nice flavor and taste. If you have an air fryer, good and fine, perfect. But if you don't have an air fryer, no problem. Okay, what you can do is just fry with less oil. Fry with less oil using either a ceramic non-stick pan, a stainless steel frying pan, or a cast iron pan. This will help you to fry your plantain using very little oil. Also, your portion sizes. Your portion size matters a lot. You want to eat eba, you heap it. You want to eat rice, you heap it. We don't do that no more in this healthy eating era. Nigerian meals are actually packed with loads of nutrients. So instead of cutting them out, you just have to tweak how you eat them. Pay attention to your cooking method. Pay attention to your portion sizes and also pay attention to how you pair this food. So instead of saying Nigerian foods are bad, let's start saying, how can I make it healthier? Now, bonus tip, stop jumping on different diet trends. Today, you're doing keto. Tomorrow, you're doing intermittent fasting. Next tomorrow, you're drinking detox teas and slimming teas. You don't need extreme diets to be healthy. Now, let me tell you something. Any diet that you cannot do in a long run, you cannot keep up with, is not sustainable. What you need is balance, something you can actually maintain in the long run. So instead of cutting out foods, focus on eating whole and real foods. Then you portion your sizes. Portion control is key, it's very key. And then you stay active, exercise. These are the things that will actually keep you healthy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to someone because we're all about eating better and not suffering. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.